In an unprecedented display of frustration, a group in Mexico forcefully breached the door of the country's presidential palace, demanding justice for the disappearance of 42 students in 2014. Video footage aired on local television stations captured the moment protesters rammed the door using a white pickup truck from Mexico's state electrical company. President Andrés Manuel López Obrador was conducting his daily morning press conference inside the palace when the incident occurred. Police responded to the scene by deploying tear gas to disperse the protesters and erecting barriers to prevent further intrusion into the palace. Although the door was secured shortly after the breach, over 100 demonstrators remained encamped outside. Reports from local media indicated that some individuals involved in breaking down the door had been apprehended. President López Obrador accused rights groups opposed to his government of manipulating the protesters, alleging their reluctance to unveil the truth behind the students' disappearance. Despite the unrest, Obrador affirmed his commitment to investigating the case and engaging with the protesters, assuring that the damaged door would be repaired without issue. The incident harks back to the tragic event of September 26, 2014, when 43 students from the Ayotzinapa Rural Teachers College were subjected to an attack in Iguala, Guerrero. A subsequent investigation by the interdisciplinary group of independent experts uncovered alarming revelations implicating military and law enforcement agencies in withholding critical information pertaining to the case. Although discrepancies persist between the findings of the previous administration and the current government, efforts to seek justice and transparency continue under Obrador's leadership, including the establishment of a Truth Commission and the extension of the mandate of investigative bodies. As Mexico grapples with the lingering scars of past injustices, the incident at the presidential palace serves as a poignant reminder of the enduring quest for accountability and closure in one of the nation's most harrowing tragedies.